Hey guys, this is Ves and welcome back to another speed art. So this speed art is a collaboration, and I'm doing this collaboration with ArtworxArtistry. I'm going to be posting her stuff down below so that you can check her out and check out her video of the finished product of this and show her some love. Tell her that the post community has sent you. Vesenia sent you. Oh my god, I'm so horrible. I can't stand myself. Again, guys, this is a collaboration. So my duty was to figure out the characters and sketch them in their ways. What I am doing is working on, I'm going to call, her name is Dana. So ArtworxArtistry's name is Dana. Dana, what I did was I worked on her character. Her character is from her original comic manga called The Unknown Within. The character that I'm working with is called Lucian Blaine, and mine is Celestial Pulse, and the character that I'm working with is Vincent Alucard. So basically our thoughts was to go ahead and have both foes from the comics fight each other. So this was very difficult into like what I wanted to do with it, because it was like the character that Vincent is fighting is immortal. Like he he goes through time to time. Like, don't get me wrong, he looks young, but he is not young. Like, he's centuries old, and he is immortal, and you know, he messes with time, and it's just so much stuff with him that is like difficult to figure out like what will be his weakness for Vincent to be even able to kill him or try to harm him in any type of way. Vincent, even though he's durable, he is not immortal, so you can't, you could kill him. So you know how to figure this stuff out. Dana did give me a link to her character bio. It was a video, so it was kind of hard to digest like as much, because I'm used to having somebody have their character front and back with a little description, or just a front picture with a description, and I didn't have anything like that. I had to like actually watch the video and read it. So yeah, I did ask a lot of questions to figure out like a little bit more of him, and what I summed up is pretty much what it is. Cat is immortal, he messes with time, and he has guns, like he can shoot people. So I wasn't too sure like too much on like what guns will be perfect for him, but I did talk to Dana through Instagram, and it was a nice, smooth, easy transition. So yeah, honestly grateful for her to even do that, because a lot of people be like, well, you know, whatever. So her coloring, she has to do the coloring stages, and I have issues 1 and 2 out, so she has, and she should have more than enough to figure out like Vince's powers, his color of his powers, and all that good stuff. But yeah, definitely did this part, and I can't tell you more like mostly about it, because honestly speaking, it was just me doing the line work. I didn't have no like technique really. It was just me using different layers to, you know, I'll draw on one layer and then erase the stuff underneath it, and then continue my process. Especially with Vincent's hair, I use different layers, and I draw the hair on each layer, and then, you know, merge it as I go, because honestly speaking, I'm very OCD with like trying to draw, and it comes out nice and smooth and all that good stuff. So, you know, I like to do things a certain type of way. I know there's easier ways out there, but I'm just very OCD with lines and stuff like that, and how to do them. So that's, you know, basically me working on it. So my main initial thing was them fighting, and the theme that I wanted to have was like more of a meaning towards it, being that Lucian is he's immortal, like come on now. And Vincent is my thoughts was that Vincent would try to shoot him in his head, like if he was a zombie or something like that, and you know, use his pulse power to be able to, you know, diminish that spirit. So when it comes down to Lucian, he will have an easier type of time with fighting with Vincent. Like, don't get me wrong, Vincent has skills, so you know he's still an opponent. But Cunningham is way more easier. He can shoot him in the heart, the head, wherever. But being that I wanted to make it more meaningful, I chose that he will try to shoot him in his heart. He'll try to attack his heart so that he can weaken him, and then persist with whatever he has to do. I'm not too sure if Lucian is a torturing type of guy. It wasn't in the bio, so I can't really speak on it. But if this was like a fight between two villains, I think he would have like a torturous mentality to even try to torture Vincent in one type of way. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna cry. A lot of the posts is gonna cry over this because a lot of them like Vincent. But yeah, definitely something that I think Lucian will try to do. So that was just my main initial thought. I wanted to have some meaning behind it. You know what I'm saying? Not for nothing, this was an okay collaboration. It did take some time to get it done. Dana did have some problems going on with her health and stuff like that, so definitely tell her hope to get you better and all that good stuff, because she needs that. Give her a little bit of encouragement, guys, when you go down there. Go down in her video and check her out. So definitely show her some love. I'm very pleased to the way it came out. I can't wait till you guys go over there and take a look at it. I did get I got got the preview of it. So yeah. So definitely something that is worth looking out for. I like doing collaborations because along with collaborating, I'm able to work with other artists. I'm able to have that communication, that networking. I have a video on this, on why, how to communicate with your collaborators. I never really spoke on like why I like to do it, but yeah, most of the reason is because I get to, network and talk and have teamwork with another artist, and they will know how I work and I will know how they work, and it's just a real good feeling to, just do something in teamwork. That's why I always do these collaborations with the pulses. Like right now we have this collaboration that they got to draw their own Celestial Pulse OC, and then I'm going to do them in I'm going to draw everyone in what you call that? A school picture. Like they're all going to be standing in like a school picture. So I like doing collaborations. Like, don't get me wrong, the pulses are kind of slow. But I'm not hating. You know what I'm saying? I love them, so I will do it. We had an awesome collaboration. When was that? Like maybe a year ago, and that was awesome. Everybody did their part. Everybody did an awesome job. Everybody did great coloring skills, lining skills. Like, I was amazed. So this doing collaborations is just teamwork. It's just talking to your other artists, making the artist community a little bit better. Like, everybody talks about how crappy it is, and I can see why, but we can make it better. With every person we can change the cycle. So yeah, collaborations is the way to go. Collaborations is the way to break that cycle, talk to other artists, and make this community a lot better. Like, figure out people. Like, I don't know. I'm a lover more than a hater. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm a picky person, I will say. And that's because I'm OCD and I like things done a certain type of way. But on the other end of people loving, I can do that because that's me. That's my personality. So definitely, I think people should do more collaborations and do that and enjoy it. This is supposed to be this little video was supposed to be more about Lucian and Vincent, but yeah, like, it didn't turn into that. I did talk a little bit about Lucian. Like, he's a freaking spirit that can go into bodies, because his body is vessels. So basically, this guy is ancient and he can morph time and shoot people. But yeah, for Vincent is more durable. He's a prince of his own kingdom. He's led by emotion. He loves war. So there you go. This cat he's durable. So what I mean by durable is he can fight, he can feel pain and stuff, but he pushes through that stuff. And you got to kill him for him to, you know, literally not bother you anymore. So that's basically what I have down for Vincent. And that's why he makes a perfect opponent for Lucian. If I were to do Fuji, he will get to her a lot quicker, I think, because don't get me wrong, she has spirit to fight, but you know, with her family, her love for her family and stuff like that, he can kill her quicker. Vincent, on the other hand, he's more like, he's strong-hearted, so he will do what he has to do. If you kill his family member, oh, forget it. I will say forget it. Forget that you ever existed. He will kill your spirit. But, you know, that's just me talking. That's me talking about his personality more than anything. But yeah, guys, that's basically what I have down. This is a basic, simple line work. I fixed it up a little bit, and basically this is how it came out looking. I think it came out looking rather well. Again, guys, at the end of this video, down in the descriptions, go ahead and check out Dana. Show her some post love and tell her that Vess sent you. Definitely take a look at the speed art that she had created for this piece, and show some love, guys. Come on. If you like this video, hit that like, and if you're new here and you're like, hey Vess, I like what you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe, become a post, become one of our family members. I continuously do art content like this and more, so definitely chillax with us and enjoy us. Again, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be there or be square. Come with your jokes, yo. Again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.